Yeah, AQ was good.
Right here we have a Dodge Durango, put it on some 24-inch TISs with a 305, 35, 24. It's a nice looking wheel, classic style. Big lip on it. Car just got painted over, was in a little fender bender. Came out really nice. The paint on there is really nice, and the wheels really fit the car. Just another one we're doing over here at dubsandtires.com. Try to give you a little bit of everything, so we pull out some of the older trucks, newer trucks, everything we got. It's your boy KB, Dubs and Tires TV.
What's good? Where you been? Where the money at, baby? That's where I been. I ride by on the